this is a cooking channel, but we are celebrating the feast of Mary by remembering her conception in her mother's womb, Saint Anne. So let us celebrate this feast by making this sweet dish with simple ingredients from your home. So let's get into the kitchen. So for this, let us see how to make the paniyaram. And for this, I have the idli batter that I have here. That is a leftover idli batter. I am using 2 cups of it. And I have 1 cup of brown sugar or the coconut sugar. And I'm going to add all together with some cardamom powder. And let's see how this has been made. To begin with, I'll just dump the brown sugar, give a quick mix. And I'm adding half a cup of coconut, or you can add more or less if you want, and you can omit it if you are not a person of coconut. At this point, I'll be adding some cardamom powder, which is I'm using, you can use up to 1 teaspoon, but I'm using half. The reason is I'm doing a half recipe of this only. Dear viewers, the batter is ready, so now we are ready to go and fry. Hello viewers, now I have started heating up the pan, and I'm also going to I'm adding some ghee in it, just about like 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon. The pan is already been heated up, so now I'm going to add the batter. Approximately about 3/4 full that you add on. And we can cover this and let it cook. Remember, it has to be on a medium flame. Dear viewers, I started to flip the paniyaram, and it's turning out well. So on a low heat, so you have to cook this because the sugar can caramelize and it will bring out the brown spots in the front, and it will look like as if it is cooked, but the interior will not be cooked. So I'm just flipping it over and to cook for another few minutes. Dear viewers, the paniyarams are ready, so I'm going to scoop them out. Hello viewers, and this is the end product for the Feast of the Immaculate Conception. And this is a paniyaram we're making with your leftover idli batter. So do try it out and share the recipe with everyone. And by sharing this recipe to everyone and speaking about this channel, you are not only helping us, but you are helping everyone. So with the Feast of Mary, let us celebrate by making this this paniyarams, and make a joyful event in your homes. So happy cooking and happy feast day. Ave Maria, Gracia Plena.